CPW really appealed to me when I came for my interview. There was a really clear kind of sense of culture when I came in, and I just knew instantly that it was a really good fit and it was somewhere that I'd settle really well. They had a really established apprenticeship programme when I started. It was really clear the progression that other engineers had made, so I knew that if I joined I'd be able to follow in their footsteps.
When I was looking on the government apprenticeship website, I came across CPW, and when I looked further into them, they take on some massive projects and they're a big player in the construction industry.
I wanted to join CPW because after researching it, I learned that it's a growing company with a great apprenticeship scheme, which could then help me further my knowledge and experience in this industry.
CPW stuck out for me for a few reasons, one of them being their push towards sustainability and achieving net zero carbon. This is something that I think is really imperative for the field, that we continue to grow and to try and limit the amount of carbon that we're using.
When looking at CPW's work and past endeavours, I thought that they had a positive outlook on where the industry was going. They promote sustainability, and I wanted to have a positive impact on people's lives.
The project I'm particularly proud of is Hugh Stewart Hall, which is a student accommodation near Nottingham University. I've been working on this job for several months, helping with different aspects on the mechanical side of things, sizing and drawing vent, sizing domestic water, heating, helping the seniors in my team come up with different ways to tackle the problems that we've been faced with.
I enjoy working on the sustainability side and working on thermal models of buildings, because then I know that I'm working towards making a building more environmentally friendly, which will have obviously less impact with all the carbon that's being emitted into our atmosphere.
I have a design input on projects, so I do a lot of calculations and drawing work mostly. I also spend quite a lot of time on site monitoring projects' progress. I work mainly in the healthcare sector with a lot of NHS clients on new build and refurbishment projects. On our team there's a lot of inspirational engineers who started as trainees and are now directors and associates and are leading projects on their own, so there's always a really clear progression path and it's really easy to follow in those footsteps.
I think another great benefit of the CPW trainee programme is that it places you with a lot of like-minded people. As I started last year, there were 5 other people based in my office that were in the same position as me, and it gives you opportunity to mingle with these people. Everyone's like-minded in the fact that they want to progress in the industry and they want to learn as much as they can.
I'd advise anyone that wanted to give it a go to go for it. CPW's got a lot of support there with such a good history of trainees and apprentices, so it's definitely somewhere that if you start, they've got the knowledge to help you develop. I was very lucky, I had a very supportive team who always backed me and pushed me to challenge myself, and I don't think that's any different across the business. I'd advise anyone that wanted to give it a go to go for it.